Hello, this is an video that will show you how to replace your CPU properly. As you can see, here is a computer that's been opened up. The first step that you want to do is get your target, and this is this fan over here. First you should take off the cover. Then, as the right way to replace to remove the fan is to open it in an alternate way. So you should take this screw first, and this one, or this one and this one. People ask, why should we remove it in an alternate way? That's because if you remove two screws, that will make pressure on the CPU and it might break. So now I've just removed this one and this one over here. Now we'll go to the other two. So now, as you can see, the CPU is exposed. You can see it clearly, but to open the CPU tray you should press on this lever over here. I'll show you the right way. Press down, pull outwards, and it will open. That easy. Then you press here. That's the proper way to open the CPU tray. As I recommend, you should use some clippers to take off the CPU, or you can use your hands, but you shouldn't touch the copper cords on the CPU. So now I will show you how to take off the CPU chip in a proper way. I will use these and I'll press over here. You should be so gentle with it, you don't want to break it. Take the CPU chip, place it on the anti-static mat. You should place it in this way because I don't recommend the other way, because the thermal paste might stick on the anti-static mat. So now, as you can see, I brought a new CPU. I'm showing you the other way to hold it. This is the proper way. You shouldn't touch these because they might get ruined. As you can see, there are small gaps over here, and you will see the same on the CPU tray. So you should make sure that it's placed in a way that it will go as it was drawn on the CPU. So now we place the cooling system back. We'll take the cover, place it as it was. That was the proper way to replace the CPU. We'll be glad to answer any questions in the comments. Thank you.